Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a Salem. It is I believe a 2024, but I'll have to check on that. And I'm going to walk you through. I want to know what you guys think, and if you are interested, want to know any other information, you can contact me anytime. Now, just to let you know, I do this for fun. I love doing it, but I also work at the office. So if you come into Waco, just ask for Rachel. I'd love to help you out. All right, let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Guys, we got the Forest River Salem. It is a 2024 model 28DBUD. It has a nice long slide on this side. It's got a long awning as well. And then I believe, yep, it's got a tankless water heater and a fridge and a griddle. Got speakers outside, very, very nice, and of course your backup camera prep is also on there. Let's take a look inside. So spacious, I love this. All right, right when you come in, you have your kitchen to the left, and then you have your master bedroom to the right, which we're gonna go look at real quick. Tons of space. Now this is a king bed VersaLift. So you have a lot of space. It is sitting up so that you guys can get comfortable. You can watch TV when you're sitting up, but also whenever you're ready for bed, with the click of this switch right here, it will go down, but you still have all this space when you're out of bed, and it's really, really nice. Plus it has the storage on the sides and above, and it has little cubby holes as well. And that does have a little laundry chute, if you call it, yep, right there. And then you can grab it from the outside storage door as well. Then we go here, and of course we've got our couch and dinette. And we have this very large area for a nice big TV. Love it. Fireplace, we've got our sound system here, and then cubbies, storage. Love storage, I really, really do. And then of course this couch goes into a bed, and there's plenty of storage underneath here. I believe the magnets work. It comes with these little totes, which is great. And this is super comfy. And then of course we have our L-shaped couch, or dinette, but it goes into whatever you want. So it could be one long couch, one long bed. This can come up, or it can be placed on this side, making an L-shaped couch. So you have different options, and I absolutely think that's amazing because it just, you can seat everybody. Okay, so our kitchen. We got a 3-burner, we've got our oven, we got a microwave, and a nice big fridge. Plenty of space to put all your goods. You've got storage on the bottom, and then storage right up at the top as well. Then moving on down, got a nice pantry. Perfect. And then over here in the corner are our bunks. Now, these bunks are actually super wide, especially this one. I love how wide it is. You got your chargers right there so that you can charge your phone. Love the window. You got privacy curtain right here. And then right here you have would have been your bathroom, sink, and mirror, but they do put it on the outside just so that people can come up here and use it while somebody is in the bathroom. And then you have a nice big shower. Plenty of space to do your thing, guys. I love it. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Love to hear from you. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out. Would love to help you out. You can call, text, or email. My information is below. But until next time.